What's up guys, Jeff Cavalier, ATHLEAN-X.com. Today I want to show you just one thing that you could start doing at the end of every one of your workouts that will improve your posture, make you look better aesthetically, it will help you to avoid injuries, and it's going to help to prevent a lot of those ugly muscle imbalances that you probably have or are developing because of the programs that you're following right now. And that's where I just want to quickly start. As a strength coach and a physical therapist, it's impossible for me to separate the two. Yes, I want to get you stronger, I want you to look better, I want you to perform better, but I also have to make sure that we're doing it without risking your overall ability to perform and stay in the gym, because you're screwing up your ability to stay balanced. If you're doing a lot of pushing stuff and not doing nearly enough pulling, which I know you likely are, unless you're following one of our ATHLEAN-X programs, because I make sure I build this into everything we do, then you got to start intervening, and this is all you have to do, I promise. But it's not that complicated, but you better be consistent with it. It's one combination here of this face pull and overhead trap pull. And what we're doing is we start by setting this cable up high, and if you don't have a cable, you can simply just put a band up somewhere if you're training at home. And what I want to do is I want to pull, and I want to get my hands so I'm turning here. Now I'm trying to get my thumbs pointing backwards, okay? They're here, and I want to get them backwards. I want to keep my elbows down at this level. I don't want to raise them up here at the level of my shoulder. I want to keep them below my shoulder. And I come in here, and I'm turning and pull. Turn and pull. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to go for 10 of these. In the face pull here, by actually turning and rotating out, I'm getting the external rotation of the shoulder to get the rotator cuff that, again, it never gets trained in most conventional training programs. And with all that pulling that you're doing, and pushing, that you're doing, you need to work on your pull. Now, as soon as I'm done with that, now I go into the trap raise, where I come straight up, overhead, and down. Overhead, down, overhead. And as I get to the top, I'm trying to lead with my thumbs, back and almost out at an angle. Back here and out at an angle. So when I'm working here are those all-important lower traps that help to stabilize my entire upper back during all of that pushing exercises. So if you train your chest, absolutely do 3 circuits of this at the end of every chest workout. When you do your shoulders, do the same thing. If you're doing them as a push workout, do them. If you're doing your leg workouts, do them. Even if you're doing your pull workouts, because I don't think that if your pull workout consists of just rowing or lat pull downs, where's the rotation component? Where are the intricate, more intricate exercise choices that hit those smaller muscles of the upper back? They're likely not there. This will go a long way towards helping you to get all those benefits I listed at the beginning of the video. And it's not that hard to do. You just got to be pretty damn consistent with it. All right, guys, on the other hand, if you're looking for programs that actually work all these things in at the appropriate time in the right volume so that you avoid all those things we talked about in the beginning, that's what I do with our ATHLEAN-X programs. Are all over and available at ATHLEAN-X.com. In the meantime, guys, if you found the video helpful, leave your comments and thumbs up below. Let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that for you in the days and weeks ahead. See you soon.